Monday morning, it is time for a brand new week, and it's time for another version of Sign Carvers of the Day. It's been a couple weeks. We keep getting a lot of great projects from you guys, so we want to do another big Sign Carvers of the Day. So here we go. Let's just jump right into it. Andy Earl. There's another cool one from Andy. Andy's back in Alabama. Great job, Andy. Or Sack, whatever you want to be called. Harvey Lloyd. God, all kinds of neat artwork and stuff on there. Fish and sailboats and pelicans and ducks. Geese. Geeses. Great job, Harvey. That's a big one. I don't know. Oh, 16 by 36. Joseph Bowersock. Great look on this sign. I love that live edge. Live edge and a kind of a sandblasted surface look. Terrific job. Daryl Sago, 4th sign ever. It's for a friend of his that loves Corvettes. I love that sign. Terrific job. Great job. Floyd. Oh, what is it? Villarreal? Villarreal. I wish that it was a little bit better picture, but you can see it's got like a resin finish on it. Just a cute, cool looking sign. That's a mesquite, actually. Mesquite slab with epoxy. Great job. Danny Hapner. That one is really neat. I'm not sure whether the color, if that's the actual color, or that's the way my printer kind of does strange stuff sometimes. But either way, great looking sign. Love that eagle head. Bob Hatch, check that one out. 5/4 cedar decking, and it's back with 3/4 inch press. That's Bob. Yeah, back in Freiburg, Maine. Freiburg, Maine. He's been with us for, gosh, years and years and years, since the very beginning. Backed with 3/4 pressure treated plywood, 15 3/4 inch tall letters.
Wow,
that's this huge sign.
14 foot by 2 foot sign.
Yeah, huge sign. Great job, Bob. He makes some big stuff. He does really well. Randy.
Is that Randy?
It doesn't show on here. No, he's not in the picture, it says. This is a friend of his that he made. He's a firefighter and made this for his buddy for a Christmas present. I'm going through stuff from January, actually, right now. Rick Ferry, very first sign. Very impressive for a first sign. There's actually a lot of first signs in here. Excuse me. First big sign by Steve Atwood. This one's really cool.
I want to zoom in on that. Hold on.
Yeah. What size does it say? What size it is? 24,
24 by 32.
By 32. That's a big sign.
That's cool.
Looks cool. Great job, Steve. Chuck. Pronounced Slichter. And he made this for his pastor's chicken coop. I love it. Great job. Keith Davenport. 4th sign ever.
Wow.
You guys, I would have never been able to carve stuff like this early on. You guys are amazing. Great job. Terrific work, Keith. Daryl Sago. Again, another Corvette sign. Wasn't he the one that did the other Corvette? I think he is. What does it say? 22 inch round?
Round laminated poplar.
Yeah. Very nice, Daryl. Scott Frazier. Frazier? Okay. Christmas gift for his in-laws. Old photo of their parents. Did both sets of both parents. So he took a photograph, and for his in-laws did a picture of their parents.
Very cool.
Great job. Good idea too. Gary Berkman. Gary was here. Yeah, we did a interview with Gary. Great job, Gary. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Cabinet doors, I remember that, yeah. Al Lindstrom. Now here's an interesting one. Al's in his 70s, and he sells some stuff and he gives some stuff for gifts. These were shared by his friend Michelle Anderson because Al doesn't do email. So Michelle actually emailed me this. So that's one of his signs, and then actually I have another one here too. So he's in his 70s and he's learning to make signs.
Very cool.
And he's doing a great job. Great job, Al. If you ever hear this, or if you see it, Michelle, tell Al I said congratulations. They look great. Victoria Mueller.
All right, pull that corner back.
Sweet V. Oh, this one? Beautiful. I think she puts this out in front of her booth when she's carving at Tractor Supply. She carves at Tractor Supply down there in Georgia on a regular basis. Matthew Fuhrer. Terrific job. Portrait of his friend. Used a profile bit and a 60 and he filled it with milliput. Yeah, I've done that before.
Mm-hmm.
Great job. Terrific job, Matthew. Ruben Garcia. Did that say Garcia?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sixth sign.
He's having a tough time keeping up on orders, really taking off. Well, I can see why. That kind of stuff. Great job. Terrific job, Ruben. I love the fact that you did the green and the blue together. That looks neat. Marlene? Is that what that says?
Mm-hmm.
Marlene?
Very first sign.
Very first signs. Yeah.
What's that puzzle piece one? Hold on, I want
So she used
to. Being a piece of my life.
a profile bit and a 60 degree.
Very cool.
Nice color use. All right, so now these go straight up. Alex Vigil. First signs. For his kids' doors, if I remember right. That's for his kids' room doors. What is this?
He's from Uruguay, South America.
Yeah.
Daniel Rojas.
Yeah. Amazing. From Uruguay. That might be our first Uruguay person. Terrific job, Daniel. Justin Helixson. I think I just talked to him on the phone the other day. Justin made this for his boss.
Very cool.
Yep. Very nice. Chuck Young. Chuck does some really cool stuff. White primer, vinegar, and steel wool stain. So that's where you take steel wool and let it soak in
Is that
vinegar.
him?
Huh?
Is
That
him?
is Chuck, yeah.
And his wife?
And his wife. Exactly. Yep.
Very cool.
Yeah, Chuck does some really cool stuff. A different kind of stuff. Excellent. He does a lot of the markers, the ruler markers. William. What does it say, William what?
Messenger.
Messenger. Cedar fencing. He used a drill master and he used a triple thick glaze. I've been hearing a lot about that. Triple thick glaze. It's supposed to be pretty cool. It almost comes out like an epoxy. We just haven't got any yet, but it comes in a spray can and I hear really good stuff about it. Curtis Moore. First sign with a router and our profile bit.
Oh, I like that.
That is a cool image, y'all.
Yeah, that'd make a good template, but it'd be very fragile. Anyway,
Great job, Curtis. Check out the detail on this one.
who's that? Brian Fitzpatrick.
Yeah. Just started carving a few months ago.
Jeez.
Pretty ambitious for somebody just starting out. I don't think I would have tried that even after my first year.
Wow.
That is pretty ambitious.
Good job.
Good job, Brian. His first signs, Jonathan McMillan? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Very first signs. You guys are so far beyond where I would have been when I first started out. It's just crazy. Victor Ramirez? And he makes custom ice boxes, custom ice chests, which I'm hearing more and more about those.
Very cool.
With all kinds of logos and stuff on them. Terrific job. Very nice, Victor. He does some really cool ones too. That's not the only ones I've seen. And Eli what? Cruz. So this is a cutting board. Also usable that hangs on the wall as a decoration. So it's got that puzzle piece in it. So You can use it a cutting board and then just hang it up on the wall the way it's cut in a puzzle like that, 2 pieces. Really cool idea. That's really nifty. All right, you guys, we're going to set all these out. We'll be right back. All right, here they are all set out. I think there's about 30 of them. Another fantastic set of terrific work. A lot of first-time carvers and just beginners. Some old-time guys like Bob Hatch and some of you, Andy, that have been around for a while. But what a great group. I'm just super impressed. You guys are just doing amazing stuff. I hope this is some inspiration for you guys, to give you guys some ideas of different things you can do. There's some commercial stuff here, some gift things, and some really neat designs. So, again, hope it is worthwhile for you. We'll be doing another couple weeks. We'll do another big set. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Thanks for all the support. If you like what we're doing, we sure would love for you to subscribe and give us a like and share it as much as you can. That would really help us out. Remember, we're on Facebook and Instagram. Instagram at Make a Wood Sign. Facebook, just me personally, Eric Roten, or Dave Signs, either one. And if you have any questions on this or anything else, be sure and email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. So everybody have a great week, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.